Some of the out-of-box settings, such as the time zone and format, can be configured via a configuration profile within the Teams Admin Center. Now we select our platform of choice and continue. The latest application will now be downloaded, and then we can launch the application. Now the application has downloaded, we simply launch Microsoft Teams. We now have various options on how to sign into the device. Firstly, we can do this on the device with NeatPad and NeatBoard because they're touchscreens. For NeatBar, you'd need a mouse, keyboard, or touchscreen connected. So in that case, it's preferable to use the Microsoft.com/device login page and sign this in from your browser on your personal device such as your laptop, desktop, or cell phone. Another way to sign in could be via the remote sign-in feature built into the Teams Admin Center. The administrator can provide the person in front of the device a 6-digit code that is generated, and then the administrator can sign it in remotely. Once signed in, we are ready to make our first call.